we can use the femtosecond pulses for decision making, but the main problem with femto, of course, we can use it for the time being. There are two parts on decision making. You need a memory because your system should remember what you have done before. So where does memory come from? So the memory part and the instant part. So memory part means whatever happening now, it is already happened t time before. You are capturing now, but it's not like that. It has happened minus t time. So that is why I'm very much interested semiconductors laser based decision making machine, because semiconductor is a memory element. If you switch on a semiconductor laser, it will take time to get stabilized. So this time where the switching means how this atom and photon exchange the information between photon and atom. And atom lifetime is 10 to the power minus 9 and photon lifetime 10 to the power minus 12. So at least 1000 ratio is difference. Within this time your laser take time to stabilize. So this is relaxation oscillation time. So this relaxation actually is a memory time. So once you building up oscillator system based on semiconductor laser, it's really works. It look like a neuron. So memory we can sort it out by semiconductor, and delayed we can sort it out by semiconductor. Coupling we can easily do